55 users, browser only, go live on Monday. What do you check first? Module 1, Deployment Prerequisites. 5 minutes to get deployment right. Start with sizing, 50 concurrent users per server as your baseline. Then check every prerequisite, operating systems, .NET, and Java. Open only the ports you need. Web-only access, close port 3389. Antivirus exclusions and outbound access, verified before day 1. Then prove it. 3 deployment missions, 3 attempts each. Complete the remote access certification path and earn 2 credentials, a printable certificate of achievement, and a verifiable open badge you can share. Deploy with confidence, free on TSplus Academy. Scan the code to see what's new on TSplus Academy.